everybody, it's the Mobile Home Mama, also known as Christina. And this is a customer creation. 16 by 68, 2-bed, 2-bath, and very large bedrooms when you break it down to just 2 beds. This is called the Maplecrest. And shout out to Mike and Deb. Thank you so much for choosing Champion Homes for your new home. We've got flint gray on the outside, white lineals around the windows, of course a frost-free faucet and an electrical outlet, and you can see the water heater is on this side. So let's go inside and check it out. This is actually, the Maplecrest is one of our show homes here and one of, I would say, the prettiest single wide designs yet. So if you get a chance, please visit. I'll show you around, show you step by step how the homes are made. We'll talk about financing, and let me help you get into your dream home. Okay, this home is drywalled, beautiful. That means what? We've got an OSB wrap around it. Make sure you have that. Now, what I love about this home that the customer did was they put a patio door right between these 2 windows. And there's no electricity or anything. We're just sitting out in the lot. Look how much natural light is in here, folks. You will not regret it, I promise you, because when we're freezing our tails off, we're getting through the winter, we're feeling down and out, and then a beautiful day like today, when the sun starts shining through, listen, we need that. We need that as humans. Okay, I do this. I go off on I go sideways sometimes. Here we go in the kitchen. Cabinets to the ceiling, check. And laminate backsplash. We've got white on the cabinets. Let me get a little closer. We've got a white wrapped on the cabinets, black handles, gas stove, ice maker in the refrigerator, and it looks like we've plumbed for the dishwasher. And also another thing I want to talk about is the farm sink. Ladies, if you do not have a farm sink, think about it, because I had never had one before, but now that I have one, you've probably heard me say this a million times, it is beautiful. I will never live without a farm sink again in my life. Coming into the laundry area, this is why we saw the water heater was not hanging out the side. Geez, that sounds terrible. The drain was coming out the side of the home like it should be, because behind this panel is the water heater. And then we did a water softener loop here. They're going to do a stackable here, so they needed some space to do their water softener. And then Mike's gonna create a pantry out of this space right here. So very beautiful, perfect for extra storage. The Maplecrest is great for that because you have this whole space right here where you can add some extra storage. Take a view, look at this. Bright white colors. Oh, she did such a great job. I'm talking about Deb. She did such a great job choosing colors. Here we go in the primary bedroom. And then she wanted me to ship the shelving separately. So that's what you saw in the living room. So this is the walk-in closet. And then they chose the optional optional bathroom. They also chose an optional kitchen where you can get 2 sinks, his and her sinks. And when you do that, you're gonna get an extra large mirror. Hi, come see me, you guys. I promise it'll be fun. And then just a tub shower over there. All right, heading back to the other end of the home. We're gonna find that second bedroom. And when I created the show home, a lot of people come in here, they ask me for 2 master bedrooms. So that's what I did, and this home is perfect for that. Here we go. We got bath number 2 first. I'm really chopping this video up. Please bear with me. It's lunchtime and I'm hangry. Look at that. Okay, bedroom number 2, nice size, large. And then look at this closet. Ooh la la. Yes, plenty of storage in there. Also, check it out, perimeter heat going right up the side of the home. So you can buy direct from Champion Homes. You don't have to go through a dealership. You can if you want, if there's one closer, that's fine, we don't care. But if you'd like the opportunity to at least check it out, I'll put you and your family in a very nice hotel, show you step by step how the homes are made, and then we have a model village where you can see show homes that are decked out and beautiful. But if you're looking for a single wide, I also have access to a whole parking lot full of single wides. I don't like to cut into the doubles too much. I'll do that in the summertime. But I really, really appreciate you guys. You guys are calling me, you're texting me, you're showing up, and we're building beautiful homes. And I just gotta tell you, I appreciate you so much for that. As always, thanks for watching.